Hello and welcome to 16 Burradoo Street here in Caringbah South. Let's check it out. This home has been purpose-built for young families, and I love how from the kitchen and the living areas you can see to this beautiful, stunning in-ground pool.
Most family homes have 2 living areas. Here you have 3, which could be easily converted into a 5th bedroom on the ground level.
And it's perfect for entertaining with this outdoor pergola, oversized lounge room and kitchen with a breakfast bar.
The home is set in one of the most family-friendly streets in Caringbah South. It is the ultimate playground for kids of all ages.